It is not sunnah to keep a cat. The Prophet ﷺ, in an incident, saw a cat in his home, and he gave her water to drink from utensils and said to the companions that she is from among those who dwell upon you. Meaning that when she drinks from such utensils, it's not najis, there is nothing wrong in that. That's it. But to claim that the Prophet had a cat and he named it Mu'izza, and the Prophet did this or that, all of this is nonsense and baseless.